So for some reason I came down this cliff, came here. How was the cliff drive? The cliff drive, coming down the cliff.
Crazy. What's this? Camera?
Yeah. In the water. Ah, my whole pants is wet now. Yeah. What's the name of this beach?
Batakunku beach? No.
I have no idea. I don't think it is.
I don't know. You're the first person to take me here. I've never been here.
Are you a Gambian?
Yeah?
Well, the thing is, if you're coming to Gambia, this is a private beach. Look, there's no one over there. No one. Just us here. And you go back over there. There's no one over there. There's no one here. So why no one comes here? Oh, what? Ah, there's one guy there. I think he's filling for. You know, let's pull the van and find out what he's about. He'll go that way. And I ask him. So good, hold the camera and talk.
Talk to who?
I'm coming back.
I'm not seeing anything.
They can see you. Talk to them.
Here's the Batakunku beach. It's an amazing beach. I've never seen this beach before. I think you guys would like to see it. Have fun. Ooh. The Gambia is full of nature reserves. It's full of, I don't know how to tell it. We have, God bless the Gambia. We have the sandy beaches.
Let's go to the fisherman.
Let's go.
Let's see what's happening here.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, look at that guy in that small boat fishing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Have you locked your car?
I think so. If not, yeah, I guess we'll just walk back to where the came from. Yeah. Wait, you left your slipper there?
Yeah. It's okay. I don't think they'll do it.
Okay. Wow. Wonder if I can move this. No, it's stuck in the sand.
Listen.
Not a chance. Look at my pants are all wet.
I don't think. That's all.
Not all? Okay, you need some more wet.
No, 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 no!
Come, you need some more wet. I can't get all the wet. You need more wet. Let's go. Let's go. More wet.
I'm already.
More wet. Ah! Ah! Oh. Wow. Ah. So now it doesn't make sense now. You have to pull it down. Yeah. Ah. Look. Ah. So he's paddling there to go out to his boat.
Yeah.
Wicked. He's got patience, man. Ah.
But if he can swim, I think it will be better and faster.
But look, suppose he wanted to get to the boat dry. Huh? Suppose he wanted to get to the boat dry. How are you doing, sir? Ah.
How are you?
Not as good as you. What's that thing?
What's it?
Oh,
It's
is
a
that?
wallet.
Ah.
It's wallet.
Ah.
From where?
Where I'm from?
Yeah.
Kololi.
Kololi.
Yeah.
The nice name, you know?
Mansa.
Mansa.
Mansa. And your name?
Molamin.
Molamin.
Nice to meet
The
you.
millionaire.
No, I'm
Ah. You know,
Maybe.
what's your name?
Yeah?
Buba. I was at Tangi.
In Tangi.
Yeah, you remember we stopped at Tangi at the gas station and they told me to come down here
Yeah.
and look for Molamin and he's going to give us 100,000.
Maybe it was.
No, no. No, they said Molamin is going to give us 100,000. No, this one. What, don't you want the money too?
No.
You don't want his 100,000? Yeah, I'll take it.
Even $100, I don't even get it in my pocket. Right
I know it's not in your pocket, it's in that thing.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. I hope so.
Fatima.
Fatima?
Jamie.
Jami. Are you a Jola?
Yeah.
Where am I? I'm a Jola.
So what's the wheelbarrow for?
I'm a Jola. My name is Molamin Jadi.
From where?
From where?
Huh?
From where?
From Tangi here.
Oh.
Tangi.
Oh, you're not like from Buyam or something?
From
or Pune?
Buyam and Pune. I don't even have no family there.
How come?
From where? Casamas?
Yeah, from Plaza.
Ah. So what's the wheelbarrow for?
This one for stone. We want to carry some stone
So
around the mountain.
Yee.
Yeah.
So you fill this with stone
After I will take it back.
and take it back there.
Back, yeah.
So how much you get per wheelbarrow?
Huh? So that's the wheelbarrow maybe.
No, when you fill up with stone, how much do they pay you?
They pay $200. That's much.
Per barrel, per barrel.
Yeah.
Wow. So that means you have to do 5 trips a day.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Not a bad business.
No.
200 a day. 200 a trip. And then make 5 trips. $1,000.
$1,000 a day.
And they split it 5. So they make 2,005 each. 5 days. 10,000 a month. How you doing, sir? Look, he got in.
Yeah.
We weren't even paying attention. Yeah. Hey, sir. Hello, how are you? How much is this to build one of these? How much is it for one of these boats?
What?
How much for one of these boats?
Like if they're selling it?
Yeah. Or for,
Ñaata su fekkee da ngeen a jaay gaal yi ñaata la?
or if they're building it, whichever.
Seer na. He said it's expensive.
$10,000.
Ñaata la?
100,000. That's not bad.
He said even 100,000 cannot buy it.
What? Not 100,000. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so this is.
It's not yet ready. He said.
So what you
They're
said?
making it.
You said this one is 10 meters.
Lu si demaguma? What they spend buying this fruit is 75,000 and it's not yet finished.
Oh.
Yeah. What they spend already. Yeah, come on. Oh, okay. He's the owner.
Ah.
Yeah.
Rambo. I like Rambo. Rambo! That's your name, Rambo. This guy's name is Rambo. See, he has a Rambo knife, so he's Rambo. Rambo! Gatala.
Gan. Ça fait beaucoup d'argent ici. Price bu bare modeste te gis nga pare bu léegi.
Léegi su paree comme ñaata la?
Maanaam li nga xam ne moo ci dem lépp nga wax.
Waaw.
Moom dafa bëgg gaal. Léegi 100 something de.
Da nga koo jaay ndax pour yow la nga koy use.
Non man dama dee gisoo man maa moom bële. Bële use.
He's the owner of the bumpy.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the one
Oh,
he's using.
Rambo is rich. Rambo has 2 boats. Ah.
am ko lak la
Wow.
ñu bokk lañ
Wow.
ñi ak ñi
Ñi seen maam yi yëpp fii lañ juddoo.
di seen famille la ñu ak ñi
But you know they have to give me Gambian price. Ah. So you see this boat complete is 110,000.
10,000
110,000.
150 125
125. Ah, complete. Okay. Ah.
ako nekk léegi li des moo gën a seer finition bi ak peinture yi ñu ngi gis
Moo gën a seet.
moo gën a seer
You know they have to paint it,
Yeah, and still
chip
it.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
parla yi da ngay jënd parla ay 30 centimeter mètre 150 175
Okay. And engine for this boat is how much? Engine.
engine 15 Yamaha 135
1,000. 15 Yamaha.
15 Yamaha
Ah, that's small engine.
yéen bu dee ñoom bu dee seen fee foofu la gën a yomb foofu nga foofu machine nga indi
15 Yamaha.
bu amee second hand bu correct sax dafay
Dafay dem.
15 Yamaha.
He said it's expensive in the Gambia. Like if you are abroad, you want to buy it, it will be more cheaper. Even you have the second hand, the used one, it will be more cheaper than the one.
I think
Europe da nga koy am machine bu correct fekk
that's a business we should do.
Yeah, it's a good business.
We can bring engines. Ah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Gigi.
That's something we should do. It's a business. But 15 is small engine.
A small engine.
Yeah, 15. Yep, so there you have it from the fishermen. So what do you think of that boat? No, but you don't do fishing.
I don't know anything about it.
You don't, all you know is to eat fish.
I don't know how they used to catch it before. I know it.
Yeah. Well, up here is drying already. No, yours not drying up yet. And you know, you can collect these shells and you can do artwork. Do you know how to do artwork with the shells? Yeah. You can do artwork. A lot. think maybe we can drive up through there.
Through where?
We can drive up through here.
No.
Why not?
Lot of trees.
Yeah, it's okay. I think.
Just make sure I'm safe.
Me make sure you're safe.
Yes.
I told your mother I'm bringing you back in 4 days. So even if you're not safe now, you'll be all right by Monday. Yeah, you'll be all right by Monday. Hey, this is sinking. It's nice though. I like to feel it sinking. Hey, now come, you have to come here. Go ahead. Ah. Yeah, it feels nice. Are you going for a swim? Are you going for a swim?
No.
Why not? I assume it's correct.